Hello everyone, my name is Alessia and on my channel, me and the guys discuss tips and tricks on how to find and meet foreign girls, European, American, Russian and Australian women. It doesn't matter what you're looking for, you will definitely be successful and I will help you with this. I've already covered how to take cool photos for social media. It was interesting, right? Today, you will find out which photos to use for Instagram and Facebook, what size restrictions, how to improve the image. If you are interested in this topic, support my video blog, hit like, click on the bell and subscribe. And I start. Go! I want to start with the first point on my fantastic top. Pay attention to the photo resolution. The maximum resolution of a Facebook post is 2048 by 2048 pixels. Use 1200 by 630 pixels mode as the picture will be reduced to 470 by 246 pixels. Resolution too high will not load well on the smartphone. The photo forever will be converted to 180 by 180 pixels. The best size for an avatar on Instagram is 110 by 110 pixels. Take a square photo 1080 by 1080 pixels. You can't go wrong. Choose a photo where the face is close up. You can adjust the size of the photo in your camera or edit the ready-made ones in your smartphone. There are apps including Classic Paint where you can resize. We fly to the point number 2. Use filters. Not all photos are perfect. The background failed. I told you about the importance of the background in the previous issue. Check it out. Brightness. Filters come to the rescue. VSCO is a cool processing app. 15 free and more than 100 paid filters. You add contrast, grain, brightness. Use the same filters to keep your profile in the same style. Photoshop Fix will remove unnecessary details from the photo flows. Lightroom will correct colors, light, and keep the image natural. For example, just compare these photos. Do not overdo it. If the previous photos were slightly processed, then the overly corrected photo will catch your eye. The third point of my awesome top: diversify your profile. The profiles have become our reflection. Are you browsing the girls' pages? So they, flipping through your account, will recognize you even before the correspondence. Show yourself from a different angles. Make sure that your profile doesn't consist of just party photos. They will create the image of a womanizer. On the other hand, a profile doesn't have to be boring. Various photos with location options will make your account more interesting and attractive. Ideally, if after scrolling through your photo feed, a stranger gets the right impression of your life balance, be guided by this when choosing another photo to upload. I'm on my way to the fourth item on my sunny list. Don't forget about hashtags. Do you like to travel? Add hashtags. Then the girls who share your hobby will find photos with the necessary tags. Are you fond of cooking? Add kitchen related. Girls admire it. More people will learn about you. Photos will become popular. Using hashtags for Facebook, make sure the post is public. Open an account on Instagram. Don't overdo it. Too many hashtags are annoying. We are moving on to the number 5. Use a consistent color palette. This advice applies more to Instagram, where the general profile image comes from your photos. An account in a single color scheme looks stylish. Use ready-made color palettes. There are sites and applications for the selection and creation of a color palette. Colors, Color Blender. There you can create your own palette based on your preferences and then stick to it. Do you like blue, purple shades? Make a palette based on these colors. For example, look at this palette. But this, of course, is already top performance. The release today turned out to be super useful. I told you how to make high-quality avatars. You know applications for photo editing. Write in the comments which of my tips you are already using and what else is important when choosing a photo for social networks. Lika has an issue about how to chat with a girl on Facebook. I hope you watched it. And if you want to know how to meet girls even more or to get tips that really work, then mark the video with likes, hit the bell, subscribe to my channel. There are many interesting things ahead of you. I promise you will definitely not be bored. See you next time. Bye bye.